So my hair is slightly wet. That's okay. Today we are shopping at Value Village and we're gonna be shopping my Pinterest board, which I have not done in a while, and you guys have been requesting that I do another thrift with me while thrifting my Pinterest board. So here are my Pinterest boards. I'm gonna be thrifting off my spring and summer Pinterest board, and I'm hoping I do well today. Usually when I come to this thrift store, I do well. I've done thrift with me's here in the past, and every single time I've done well, so it's looking good. It's looking good. So let's head in, let's see what we find, and hopefully we can get a few things off my Pinterest board today. So I have to check out the fabric here, see what they have. This is a really pretty light blue corduroy here, and there's not too much here, probably just enough to make like a pair of pants or something, and it's only $3.99. But I think I'm gonna put it back just because I think I already have a corduroy at home I haven't used yet. There's also this really pretty beige corduroy as well, and this one's $4.99. Look at this minion fabric. Isn't that adorable? I love this dinosaur fabric. Look at that. What would I make with this though? This is so cool. Do you think it'd be weird if I made a two-piece out of this? It's $5.99, so it's a pretty good deal. I don't know. I feel like I just want to hold on to it. I want to hold on to it for a minute. Or let's be honest, Jenna. You don't need it. You don't need it. Oh my goodness. Look at this orange fabric. Oh my gosh, it looks more like yellow on screen, but in person it's this beautiful like kind of peachy orange color. This denim is so pretty and soft, but I have denim at home that I just haven't used yet. So I think we're gonna leave this, but it would be such a fun project to like make a pair of jeans. That would be such an accomplishment because jeans are not easy to make. So I have actually been looking for a pair of like kind of like vintage or 2000 Nikes here, and I just found these. They might be one size too big. Oh yeah, they're size 9, so they're too big for me, but these are so cool and they're only $10. Ooh, these sandals are so fun. They're little wedges, look at that. These are adorable. I have been pinning so many floral print items on my Pinterest board, a lot of clothes mainly, but these definitely fit my vibe right now. Let's try them on. Unfortunately, the sandal section is just a little bare today. Last time I came in here, it was packed. I am gonna check out the boots. Ooh, some hunters? Oh, and they're my size, I think. But I already have a pair. They are $21.99, and they're also a beautiful color. So I'm done in the shoes now, so I'm just in the skirt section because that's where we're gonna start today. We're gonna start in the skirts. Well, that was a fail. There was not even one cute skirt in that whole rack of clothes. So I have been really digging overalls lately, and I just found this overall skirt dress. And it looks like it's gonna fit me. It looks like a 2000s tag, so it looks like a good, oh my gosh. It's $3.99. It's $3.99. What the heck? I'm floored. I'm so excited. Well, that rarely happens. I rarely find skirts, so. Well, technically it's not a skirt. It's technically like a dress, but it was in the skirt section, so. It's a bonus for me. Look at this old Lululemon skirt. Look how short that is. Does anybody remember these old tags? Like, again, another 2000s find. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is so cool. It's also $15, so. But right next to the skirts is the blouses. So I'm gonna quickly go through the blouses because I might be able to find some nice floral, you know, patterns here. Like there. That's nice floral. Even here. And a lot of nice fun colors here. So let's dig through here. Ooh, look at this blouse. This top actually reminds me, I feel like of a skirt or a dress on my Pinterest board. I've been just pinning a whole bunch of items that have like this fun kind of pattern, not necessarily like the V kind of, you know, shape, but just like stripes and fun stripes in general. Gosh, I'm so excited for this. So I'm briefly going through the long sleeves here because I'm not really trying to get any more long sleeves. What's this? Anyways, I'm not trying to get long sleeves, but I did find this really cute 2000s second skin top here, and I really like it. So it's a spring item, it's a summer item, it's really thin, so I can wear that then. See, this is why I like to go through kind of the long sleeves and sometimes sweaters when it's in the summer, because you can find really kind of summery pieces here that get put here. So this one is like a nice sheer, almost like a knit kind of fabric, or I don't know what this is called. You know what I mean. So recently I've been pinning a lot of floral patterns on my Pinterest board and a lot of crochet. So those are like my two major things I'm looking for today. Of course, with like fun patterns, fun colors, those type of things. But those are on my top list for summer right now because I don't really have any floral prints, and I only have this crochet top, and I also crocheted a top. So I'm hoping to add a couple more for summer, but those are goals right now. Those are goals right now to find in the thrift store. See, this is what I'm talking about. Fun floral patterns like this. Unfortunately, it's a little big for me, so I'm gonna put it back, but hopefully I find something similar to that in my size. I'm also super into the gingham pattern right now. I just love it. So I even bought some fabric recently that I'm gonna make a two-piece out of, but hopefully I can find maybe gingham pants. That'd be nice, or just like a gingham shirt. Not this one. I'm not a really fan of the red gingham, but green maybe. So I made it to the tanks now, and honestly, I don't really like going through the tank tops just because they're so hard to like sift through. You really have to get down and really like dig through them. Ooh, look at this sparkly top. I love it. I love this. How much is it? $4.99 only. I am actually impressed. They have a whole nother section for tanks. I didn't think they'd have this much summer clothes here today. Ooh, another thing on my summer list is a lot of the one shoulder tanks. I'm obsessed with them right now, and this one's only $8.99. Don't know about this pattern. We'll hold on to it. Look at these jeans that are just hanging off. They're so cool. They're by For Comfort Blue Body. I'm assuming the Blue Body is the brand, and they're $9.49. Wow, I've never seen jeans like that before. I could get a Hawaiian shirt and then just hem it so it's a nice fit. Like that could work, that could fulfill my Hawaiian dreams, but there's no red Hawaiian shirt here. There's a car one. I'm in the dresses now just because I got really excited when I was in the tank tops because I found this juicy dress, but I think they thought it was a tank top, but it's like one of those 2000s where you just tie it up, and it's an actual juicy dress here. You can see the tag, and it's $10.99, so I didn't think that was that bad. So I'm gonna try this. Not sure, it might be too short for me, not really sure, but I thought it was cute. It's just like a nice plain white one. So after finding that, I got really excited. So I'm gonna go through all the summer dresses and see if I can find like Hawaiian. I just really been wanting a Hawaiian dress, like a red floral Hawaiian dress. I just love Holiday, the label, and they have so many cool Hawaiian prints on there, and that just made me really want to thrift Hawaiian pants or a Hawaiian dress or a Hawaiian shirt, something like that. I'm gonna go through all this. I love this floral pattern. It's so cute, but I'm not a huge fan of the dress itself. This is cute. This is a Zara dress. It's like a nice wrap one. It's $17.99, but it looks brand new. It doesn't look like anyone wore it, so I can try this over top of my shirt. I made it back to the fabric section, but I'm here for the yarn this time because I've become a crazy knitter, and all I want to do is just crochet all day. Is it called a crocheter or a knitter? Technically a crocheter. Oh, they're good doing construction. Ooh, this pack has a whole bunch of pretty blues in it. That's perfect if I want to do like a multicolored shirt. So I'm officially done in the clothes, but I ended up finding this pair of shorts on my way over here. They were in the swim section, which I forgot to go through until the end. And they're $3.99, so I feel like this is gonna fulfill my dreams of finally getting some Hawaiian pattern clothes. Yeah, they're cool. But now I'm in the home decor, and look at these mushrooms. Those are so cool. Wow, those are beautiful. We're coming up on the most dangerous section in the thrift store. The pots, the vases, all this stuff, because if I find a nice pot, I have to buy another plant. And my room is looking like a jungle right now. Oh my goodness. $3.99. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I kind of want to get it. The lamp section is still a section I check every single time I come to the thrift store looking for that beautiful vintage IKEA cloud lamp. My dream lamp. It's not here today. So I ended up spending only $18 in there and I got a full bag of stuff. So I'm pretty pumped. I'm pretty pumped about today's haul. I did end up exchanging the yellow top from last week, which was $16. So that's why it was so cheap, and I got some really cool stuff today. So I'm excited to go home and try them on and see how they fit. So let's go home. Let's go see the haul. Okay, bye. Hola amigos, we are home now. I have my haul here, so we're just gonna start. So the first thing I ended up picking up was this fun pattern top here. I love it. I love the colors. This is something that's definitely been on my Pinterest board. I've been really eyeing like the crochet kind of knit look, but also like lots of stripes. Here's some examples, but I'm super stoked about finding this. This pattern is so fun. Look at these buttons. They kind of look like corn on the cob a little bit, in a good way. I think this shirt is rad. It fits me perfect. Like this shirt was made for me, so I'm excited to style this. I probably won't wear it with these pants because it's a lot going on with this whole outfit, but it was a good first find. Next one. This top is so good. Look at this top. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. I'm usually not one for purple, but I am obsessed with this top. It reminds me so much of the brand Nina. If you haven't heard of that, they have amazing, it's like art, their stuff. It's like art, and they have all like this glittery stuff. Here's like a sample, but this just reminds me so much of that brand, and I love it. I love this glittery, top. So here's the next one. This one I didn't realize it had open arms like this. I just thought it was just maybe a little flared arms, but no, they have like these open sleeves, which is kind of cool. I just wasn't expecting it when I put it on, but I really do love this top. It's a 2000s, I think, Le Chateau top? No, Suzy Sheer. It's like a 2000 Suzy Sheer top, and it fits me perfect. Once again, I have been just so lucky that all of these things I bought today are fitting like a glove. This is what it looks like up close, and it's like a nice little sheer top, but it's not too sheer. It's actually quite nice, just like the fabric. So I'm pretty happy about this one. Keeping it, I just love the pattern on it. I just love it. Next one is this overall dress that I found at the beginning for only $3.99, and guess what? It fits perfect. Again, everything so far has just fit me so perfectly. I'm so excited, and I love this overall dress. It's not too short. It's nice and comfy. It's not tight. I can put like a nice sweater or shirt, or even just keep like a little bralette underneath it, and it's good to go. I think it was a score for only $3.99. I think that's nuts so but so. Anything in the pocket? Oh, there's a nice pocket here. No, nothing in there. And here's the last item I ended up getting was this juicy dress couture. Do you say juicy or do you just say juicy couture? Juicy, I don't know. I've never owned juicy before, so this is a first, but here it is. It's like a nice terry cloth dress. It does say it is a size large, which I don't know if it's supposed to be way tighter on you. Like, I feel like it fits good. Like, maybe I could have got one size smaller because maybe it will fall down. I'm not really sure, but just looking at it, it looks like it's my size. So does Juicy fit really smaller sizing, or? It was only $10.99, which usually every time I see Juicy at the thrift store, it's usually pretty pricey. So I was kind of surprised that this was only $10.99, but then again, I think it was in the t-shirt, or no, the shirt section, or was it the skirt? I think it was in the shirt section, so I think they thought it was a shirt. Just joking, I lied. I ended up getting one more item. I ended up getting this bag of yarn right here. It was $3.99, and there's all these different colors of blue, which I think will be perfect for a top or something that I'm gonna crochet. So I'm excited because there's not too much of each color, so it'll be good for like a multi-color item that I make, not just for one color, which, yeah. It's kind of falling down a little bit now, so maybe it's too big. I don't know. Well, I'll think about it, but that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed thrifting with me and thrifting my Pinterest board today. I feel like I was very successful. I got all items that were very much inspired from my Pinterest boards, so I'm happy. I'm very happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see behind the scenes of all my thrift with me's, I do post a lot of stuff on my Instagram, so you can go ahead and follow that and also see how I style all of these pieces. Other than that, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, you actually, Benson, do you want to say bye? Bye.